How to make a professional landing page in Mailchimp. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can simply create a professional landing page in Mailchimp. So simply sign up, and then after that, click on build a landing page from over here in between these two options. Now when you click on build landing page, that's going to take you guys over to their landing page builder. So from over here, you guys have many different templates that you guys can pick from. So you guys can choose what you want to do with these templates. For example, if you want to do lead generation, you guys can do that. You guys can even promote your products. You guys can even grow your list as well. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on lead generation, and then after that, that's going to take me over to the template editing panel. Now I can do many things from over here. So I will have this one page in front of me, which is the basic layout of the page. For example, you guys have a few text boxes, you guys have a few buttons, and then you guys have the about section with a few pictures. You guys can simply drag and drop anything from the left side over here, and then that's gonna make a completely new block. So for example, if I want to have some text, I can drag and drop the text over here, and then this is gonna create a new block. Now I can just simply double click on any one of this text, and then I can just simply modify that text to say whatever I want. And then after that, scrolling down, I can do the same thing with the images as well. I can click on any one of these images, and then from the right side, I can click on Creative Assistant if I want to change the colors of this image, or I can just simply click on replace, and I can simply replace this image. And going to column 1, I will be able to replace this particular image. So everything is drag and drop over here. You guys honestly do not need to know anything about coding or anything. So when you guys are done, simply click on the bottom right where it says save and close, and then your landing page is going to be saved, and then you guys can simply publish it by simply attaching it with a domain. So guys, that is how easy it is to make a professional landing page in Mailchimp. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.